CPA marketing beginners friendly strategy right here that this video actually is. And in this video guys, I'm going to walk you through an amazing strategy you can actually use to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers and get a lot of traffic, and in turn going on to making a lot of money with CPA marketing. So guys, if you do take a look at my account right here, I've made this amount right now in today's revenue just by utilizing a very simple strategy. And if you do stick on, I'm going to show you the exact same strategy I did use to make this a particular amount right now. And this is actually going to be a very cool and amazing one. And the amazing thing about the strategy is that it's actually going to be 100% free one. So stick on and watch to the end so that you do not miss out on any vital step which I'm actually going to show you in utilizing this strategy. And if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see some cool videos that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. Also subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that I do alert you whenever I release videos that could boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, we're just going to be utilizing a very cool platform called CPAGrip, or you could go on to selecting any CPA marketing platform you intend on using to get CPA marketing offers. And if I do come right here, if you do click on register, it's going to bring you to a page such as this and provide your basic details on the fields having this red asterisk signs, as they are actually the important fields. You want to then just simply agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes right now and click on register now to get your account created. Once that is done, you can actually go on to logging into your account. So guys, take a look at this. I'm logged back into my account, and to get to this page, come right here, select the offer tools option, of which you want to go on to selecting my offers and be brought to a page similar to this. You can promote offer to any top tier country of your choice, but I'm going to be utilizing the United Kingdom right here. And you want to then just simply go on to selecting something somewhat like a school sweepstake offer. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots and lots of offers. Now I'm just going to utilize this particular offer right here, which is actually a giveaway for an Amazon gift card. And you can see the gift card is actually worth 500 euros right now. You could actually copy the link to the landing to this particular giveaway offer. You can see the link right here, and you could also see more details about the offer. That is actually an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer, and it has a payout of $1.71 for every successful lead you actually do get right now. So what you want to do right now is to actually copy the link to this CPA marketing offer and actually go to creating a very simple landing page using any landing page builder site. You may use the Google site, you may use the breezy.io or any other landing page builder sites out there. If you're finding it difficult, come onto my channel and you want to just simply come onto this search section and go to searching for landing page. And if I do come right here and search for landing page right now, you'll be able to see lots of cool videos I created for you on how you could go on to creating a simple landing page using a landing page builder site. And right here guys, there are actually different builder sites for each video right here, so utilize that right now to go on to learning how to create landing pages for such websites. You could also come onto this particular platform because I'm going to be using the breezy.io to create a simple landing page. Just go on to sign up for an account right now, and I'm logged into my account. You can see that I've been utilizing this platform previously. All you need to do is to click on this create new project, select the website and the landing page, and a new project will actually be added. Next, you want to choose the website right here, which you want to just simply utilize. That is kind of like a template which you want to just simply go on to utilizing right now. So I'm just going to come right here and actually just start from blank right now. So actually go on to creating mine from scratch right now. So what I want to do right here is to actually start building. I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm just going to click on create your own because I want to create a simple landing page right here. What I'm going to do is to come onto this plus section and I'm just going to select this text icon or drag and drop that in this particular section right here. So if I do drag and drop this, you'll be able to see how it's actually going to go on to looking like. So that has actually been inserted. What you can actually do right now is to actually put in a text right here such as this, which says claim a free Amazon gift card. Highlight the text right here, and I'm just actually going to go on to increasing the font size to something that is actually quite bigger right now. And if I do increase that to something like this right here, which is 45, I can actually then go on to making that kind of bold. So right now guys, I'm just going to highlight the text once more, make that bold, and once that has actually been made bold, as you can see right now, I'm actually going to go on to centralizing this. By clicking on this section, that has actually been centralized. Next, I'm just going to go on to adding an image for that particular offer right now. Maybe I'm going to head back to CPAGrip, right click on this image and actually save the image on my device. So once the image has actually been saved on my device, I'm just going to head back to that particular platform and actually do click on this plus icon once more. I'm going to select the image and drag and drop that in this particular section. Now for the image which you want to use, I'm just going to go on to utilizing that image which I just simply downloaded from CPAGrip right now. As you can see right here, the image is actually being added right now. So once the image has actually been added right here, as you can see, this is how the image is actually going to go on to looking like. I can actually go on to editing it based on my preference right here. Maybe I'm going to go on to selecting this section. I'm just going to move this to this particular section right here to make this section go on to showing. And you can see right here, this is how it's actually going to look like right now. Maybe I can actually go on to reducing the font or the size of this particular image icon. You can see right here I reduced that, and this actually quite looks better and quite fits for this particular offer. So next, you want to just simply go on to add in a button. So I'm going to just simply drag and drop a button in this section. So for that button text right now, I'm going to change that to something like click here. So once that has been inserted, I'm going to highlight this, click on this link icon, and actually do link that to my CPA marketing offer. So if I copy the link, head back to that particular platform and actually paste that in that particular section. So I'm going to paste that in the link section provided for me right now in this URL. I'm going to go on to pasting that right now, and you can see right here that that has actually been added. I could go on to increasing the text size right now of this particular button to actually make it look quite bigger right now. So once this has actually been increased right here, next I'm just going to just simply click on this particular section. I'll click on update right now, and I'm just going to go on to saving this right here on my device. I'm going to head back to the dashboard right now. So while on the dashboard right here, I can actually do click on this particular link right now. It's going to take me to select a domain. I'm going to click on choose and give this a very cool domain name. So if I just select this domain name right now and I click on submit, you can see right here that is actually available. And for when that is available, I can actually then go on to copying this particular domain address right here. Once I copy this right here, I can use this to drive traffic to this CPA marketing offer. So if I head onto this platform called the freead.co.uk, and you can see right here, this is actually a very cool platform you could use to promote your CPA marketing offers, but they are mainly targeted in the United Kingdom, which is why you want to just simply utilize them right here. All you need to do is to just simply come onto this section which says free stuff, and you'll be able to see lots and lots of free stuff on this particular platform right now, which people are actually giving out right here for absolutely free. All you need to do right now is to click on post free ad, and if you do click on post free ad, guys, it's going to take you to this section where you want to select the category of your ad right here. So basically, I'm just going to select a random category, and I'm just going to use this for tail category, but make sure you select one that's actually quite fits in better. So right now, guys, I'm going to select collectibles right here, and if I do select that right now, I can actually do come right here to this section. I'm going to fill out more details about myself right now, or the particular offer which I intend on promoting. And right here, you also want to select something that's actually quite cool. Maybe I can actually select other collectibles right here, and if I actually do select this option right now, it's going to take me to this page where I'm going to just simply provide these basic details like the ad title, the ad description, the price right here, or the fee right now. But you want to leave this section at 0 right now before you actually do go on to filling out other sections and go on to the next right now, which is to actually go on to posting that ad for absolutely free. So why not just simply try this strategy right now to go on to getting traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So utilize the platform called the freead.co.uk to get traffic to your CPA marketing offer. So if the video was helpful, do make sure you do go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all right now. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.